Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. Welcome to our series where we shed light on how to make maintenance and reliability teams more successful. Today, we're exploring the world of CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System software, beyond just industrial and manufacturing environments. We'll unravel its diverse applications across different industries and demonstrate its versatility as a tool for planning, scheduling, and tracking maintenance work. Stick with us as we'll be exploring some fascinating examples from the restaurant, farming, and healthcare sectors. First up, we're looking at restaurants. In this industry, maintenance isn't just about keeping stoves and grills in working order. It's a direct line to ensuring safe food is produced at the right speed for customers. Here, computer maintenance management system software becomes an invaluable tool for managing work orders on essential kitchen equipment like stoves, dishwashers, and sinks. It also comes in handy for managing maintenance requests across a chain of restaurants. With a computer maintenance management system, restaurant managers can track staff scheduling, monitor expenses from food suppliers, and prioritize tasks during a lunch or dinner rush. Let's move to the fields with farming. Farming is a particularly seasonal job, making maintenance, repairs, and scheduled tasks incredibly important for a successful harvest. Computer maintenance management system software can help farmers track off-season maintenance for assets like tractors, plows, and tills, ensuring they're always ready, whether for harvesting or planting. It also allows farmers to keep track of vital stock like seed quantity and fertilizer, repurchasing items automatically as they run out. The best part? All this information can be accessed right from the fields via mobile apps. The USDA, for example, has found this incredibly useful. Finally, let's look at the healthcare industry. Here, data is often the main product, and the healthcare industry sees an absolutely massive amount of data. This makes the data storage and gathering capabilities of a computer maintenance management system immensely useful for a hospital or other medical facility. For instance, computer maintenance management system software can track vital equipment data like the number of available wheelchairs in a retirement community, or how many specialized hospital beds are currently occupied by patients. It also helps control vital environmental data, like temperature fluctuations in rooms with patients sensitive to heat or cold. And there you have it. We've explored how computer maintenance management system software is a versatile tool that's making a significant impact across a wide range of industries like restaurants, farming, and healthcare. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about how UpKeep can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.